What's goody, my gang? Today we're going to be trolling little kids with RPGs and grenades inside of Animal Company. For this video, I'm obviously going to need weapons, so I'm probably just going to have blue backpack with an RPG, and I'll have a grappler. So now all I'm going to want to do is grab some ammo. And we're only going to fill it with like 5 because these are expensive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to put the rocket launcher in there. We're going to grab my grappler. Let's go join the public. One random. We're just going to hop up here. Instead of going right here, we go all the way up to the top of the tree. I'm gonna lose my voice.
Where's Green? Where's Green? Well, not you, Green. Somewhere back.
I'm actually gonna hook shot over here towards a little bit more flat. Okay. And switch hands. Let's get ready. We're gonna kill some people. Both of them. Oh, they're dead. Oh, yeah, they're gone. Oh. That's a kill. Alright, we're gonna go just a little bit higher. Because I can hear them gearing up, and it's kind of scary. Can you grapple onto these leaves? Okay, no, you cannot. Oh! Perfect. Him right there. Wait. Just gotta wait for the perfect moment whenever you know they're not going outside the safe zone. Whenever they're not going back into the safe zone, actually.
Does anyone have a black bag I can trade for? If you have a black bag I can trade for, go on the walkie-talkie and tell me.
Oh, he's dead. Oh, I absolutely murked that little kid. This is my city, bud. This is my city. Stop. Okay. Now we get set for another bombing. Oh my god, I'm cooking these little kids. Saw somebody right there. There's somebody right there. Oh my god, there's someone right there. Oh, there's somebody right there.
Can't catch red watches.
That's facts.
Yo, I'll trade for the pink backpack. I'll trade for the pink backpack.
Look at him.
I have. Don't trade the people. Those just gonna scam you, bro.
Oh.
I'll trade for
I
that.
just absolutely murdered that little kid. Wait, did I? I don't have red watch. Oh, those grapplers are terrifying because they could be just coming for me. Alright, now we wait a little. Right there. Oh, yeah, I got red watch. I think I killed 2 people there. I think I killed 2. Oh my god, yes. Oh, this is perfect. My plan is perfect. Oh, I see them. Oh. They're still there. I gotta get to my spot, though.
Somebody kill me. I have red watch. Somebody kill me.
Okay. Wait, what? You can go on the trees. I didn't know. Oh, this is a perfect spot.
Can anyone trade me a backpack flashlight of
Oh, I feel like I'm too low. I don't know if I killed them or not.
A flashlight, a bag, flashlight.
Because it doesn't render their bodies, it just shows their items. That's not good
Can
enough.
anyone trade me
So
that
it just doesn't.
a flashlight bag?
Their bodies just aren't there. Oh my god, it's so hard to get over this. Alright, let's just go back to the spot on the tree. Thanks for the money. I'm gonna stay right here where I can. Kill them! That's 3! That's 3! I got 3 in 1! 3 birds with 1 stone. And this is my last one. Yeah, it is, so we gotta make this one count. 3 people here. We're going for 3. 3 people on my last bullet. Ooh, let's go. Let's just go down a little bit lower. Go, idiot. Please, Jason. Oh no! He killed them. That's 3! That's 3 again! Oh my god. I got 3 again. And now we just wait until my red watch is out. Oh my god, there's a guy right there. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh no. I'm out of red watch. I'm out of red watch. I just got a bolt. I just got a bolt. Bolt for the safe zone.
Give me red watch. Bro, give me red watch. I'm
flying.
Yes.
I want to make an announcement. I want to
Yes.
do something.
Someone give me red watch. I want to do something.
In total, I killed this many people with this many bullets, which I paid this much money for. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way until the end. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot, and I'm on my road to 500 subscribers.